Hi, I'm Colleen Dieter. I'm the founder of Central Texas Seed Savers. We are a project of Fruitful Commons. We are preventing extinction of important plants to Central Texans through seed sharing. And one of the programs that we support are the seed libraries. So at Austin Public Library, most of the Austin Public Library branches, you can go to the library and take seeds out of the seed collection. But you can also bring seeds to the library too, and you can put seeds in the book drop or drop them off at the circulation desk. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare the seeds for delivery to the library. Right here I have some inland sea oats. This is a native grass seed, and you can harvest the seeds when they're dry. So just make sure any seeds that you donate to the seed libraries that they're dry so that they don't get moldy. And the important thing is to write the name of the plant, okay, just like this, and the date that the seeds were collected, because the seeds, as they age, lose their ability to sprout. So we need to know how old they are. And then write for the seed collection so the librarians will know what this is. Okay. And then you can put the seeds in the envelope, just like that, and go ahead and seal it up really tightly with tape so they don't escape and roll all over the library, just like that, and then you're all set. And most of the Austin Public Library branches have collections. A lot of the suburban and exurban libraries in Central Texas have seed collections too, so just ask a librarian. And if they don't have a seed library at your local library, ask the librarian, and Central Texas Seed Savers can help. We can help set one up for you. This year, I want all of you watching to dedicate yourself to collecting seeds from one particular plant, and so there's some good books to show you how to do that, and that way you can follow one plant through its whole life cycle and collect seeds from that plant. So you can contact us at centexseedsavers.org. You can follow us on Instagram and our Facebook page, Central Texas Seed Savers. And for Backyard Basics, I'm Colleen Dieter.